Hi, my name is Sharon. I'm with Dame Mas Dance, and in today's Kizomba tutorial video, we will be talking about a side variation of the basic three-step. So as I mentioned, today's Kizomba tutorial video is on a side variation of the basic three. Just to remind you what the basic three-step is, I'll be doing the lead timing. I'll turn around. So for the basic three, the lead will start with their left and they're going to go forward 1, 2, tap 3, 4, 5, tap 6. So that is a full basic three. You could split it up and only go forward and do some other type of move. For this variation, we could either just move forward or just move back, and we are going to step forward and then take a side step. So for the lead timing, so we would step forward 1, to the side 2, tap 3, and you can just keep doing this, or you could step back, side, tap 3. But normally leads will step forward on count 1, but I mean, it's not a hard and fast rule, but so that's just to give you an idea of the side variation. Now for follows, we would step back on our right leg, so step back 1, over 2, tap 3, and we would just keep doing this as long as the lead tells us, or we could step forward, side, tap 3. Now you can play with this variation by altering the tempo. So you could do it in like 2 counts instead of 3 full counts. So you would be stepping on the half beats, the ands, in between the full beats. So if I were to do the lead timing, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So you're just speeding it up, and so just changing tempo just gives it a different style. So if there's a quick part of the song, or you want to accent some certain beats, you could use that tempo variation of the side variation for the Kizomba Basic 3. So I guess that's it. This is a pretty short video, and so let's put those moves to music. So I hope you enjoyed that short Kizomba tutorial on a side variation of the basic three-step. For more information on the classes that we offer, please visit our website at damemasdance.ca and check us out on Facebook at Dame Mas Dance Studio and on Instagram at Dame Mas Dance. Thanks for watching.